Hello everyone, this is a short tutorial on how to access your online test in mathematics. We would be sending you a link on the WhatsApp group. Please click on the link provided. You will be taken to a Google Form page. Click on Start. Please do not click on the Finish button as it closes the form automatically. You can also see a timer running. Please try to complete the test within the given time limit. Now go ahead and fill in the required information, your email address, your full name, and then go ahead and complete the test. All the questions are of multiple choice type. Select the correct answer and proceed. Some of these questions you might have to solve them in a rough paper and click on the correct option as the final answer. Before you submit, please go ahead and check if you have completed all the questions and recheck your answers. You will be allowed to submit the form only once. Once submitted, you cannot re-attempt the test. Now you can see that it says your response has been recorded. You can also view your scores by clicking on View Score. It gives you the result here, total points. I hope this video was helpful for you all. Thank you.